All right, I'm hitting COMS. So morning dip buy. And I'm gonna, yeah, COMS, night waiter. And I'm gonna take this one up into 2. All right, 178 stop. So reasoning behind COMS is yesterday's highs and daily support. Let's see what BKKT is doing. Missed that one, so big dip down into 12 bucks whole number support. Mark dipping. All right, I'm going long CLF. So PT on this one is going to be VWAP, and that's at 24.22. Still on these morning dips, you want to keep a 1-to-1. All right, so stop's going to be low of day on this one. All right, I'm going to take profits on CLF. So we got that move up into VWAP. I like BE. So next daily resistance for BE is up at 28.99. All right, I'm going to bail out of COMS. Let's see if BKKT can hold here. Multiple bounces off of 1250 coming back up into VWAP. Yeah, buddy. Let's see what we can get. Notice every time it comes down to that 1250 level, what happens? Gets bought right back up. That's 4 rejections off of that level. That's also your pre-market swing low level as well. That's at 1269. Focus is on BKKT. Again, I'm not going to jump the gun on this one. He asked, let's see here. I guess he's asking if the moving averages are less effective in pre-market. So I don't use moving averages, period. Only when I'm day trading, I use VWAP, support and resistance, and volume. So I don't pay much attention to them. Oh man. All right, I'm gonna hit GRNQ. GRNQ. Multiple daily levels right here. One second. All right, so my profit target on GRNQ is going to be the break of VWAP. Stop is going to be 145. Keep an eye on BE as well. So keeps getting bought up off of this 26 buck level. I want to give this one a little more time. You also got VWAP support. Yeah, it's raining dip buys this morning. That's for sure. All right, I'm going to hit BE. So I'm going long BE, bouncing off of pre-market high support. One second, let me get my order in. All right, so profit target on BE is going to be 26.40. And I'm going to keep a low of day stop on this one. Still looking good in GRNQ as well. Hey, just a little quick test. Can everyone hear me? I want to make sure that it's coming through. All right, so I'm just making sure because with these morning plays, you got to be a lot quicker. So it's kind of tough for me to double task, type everything in chat, and do all this. But GRNQ profit target hit because I'm kind of working multiple things at once here. But this is how I used to play morning dips back in the day when the market was hot like it is now. We haven't gotten action like this in a long, long time. So now that I'm out of GRNQ, I'm in BE still. Looking for that bounce off of pre-market support, but also VWAP support. Let's see if anything else is setting up. I'm machine gunning out here. All right, I want to do a quick little test. So did anyone take that dip buy on GRNQ? So what support levels was that off of? Here goes BE. Getting close to that PT. Yep, so the major levels was the daily support. And 1 second. Yeah, you had that 150 $half support right below it. But my main reason behind hitting that one was the daily support. The multiple levels of daily support on that one. So 2 winners, 1 loss for me at the moment. Still sitting in BE. CLF going for high day, 24.50. Pre-market highs up at 24.64. All right, what's everyone watching right now? Yeah, GRNQ coming back up into $2. Here's 5-day break. 5-day break on GRNQ. Let me take another quick look at the daily. I think we got some resistance coming up. 225. Boom, here goes GRNQ. Oh wait, I think my mistake. Hive day on GRNQ is 220. It's a nice red to green here. Yep, all the momentum is over at GRNQ. Not a lot going on anywhere else. Yep, you're coming up into that daily resistance as well. Which is why I'm not gonna trade this one for a breakout. Maybe later on, but not right now. Boom, nice move on CLF. Broke those pre-market highs. Coming up into daily resistance, I believe. Let me double check. Yep. Still in BE as well. Stop, as I said earlier, stop low a day on that one. Just going to give it some room to work. Yep, here goes BKKT. Coming up in the VWAP. Also $12.50 half-dollar resistance. Let's see. Nice volume. Boom. Breaking VWAP. Y'all hit anything this morning? CETX volume a little bit low on this one, but trying to curl back up above yesterday's highs. Let's see, DWAC. No major support levels in this area that I like. Yeah, I'm watching it, Samuel. I think we just mistimed this one this morning. Fun selling off. Pre-market swing low at 788, which also is pre-market lows. $8, whole number support. Facts. Make sure y'all are taking advantage of those one-on-ones with Stonk. He's a killer at these breakouts, so make sure you're getting that education in. COF pulling back. GRNQ back below VWAP. BKKT. $12 whole number at the moment. Just pulled back off of VWAP and that pre-market swing low. GRNQ back down at that daily support. HX high day. One of the ones I was watching for swings. Pre-market high is 642 on this one. CRTD looks decent right here. Bouncing off of $5 whole number support. Probably going to get a move up into 550 on this one. Again, I don't want to chase it though. Yeah, still sitting in BE. So we green, we red. Still no trades. How we looking? So momentum trades this morning, definitely no comparison to the last couple days, but you did get a lot of nice morning dip buys. Yep, GRNQ back above $2. BE about to crack 26. Again, my profit target for this one, 26.40. BKKT cracking VWAP coming up into that pre-market swing low, and boom, breaking it. Nice one. Huge pop on BKKT. Just snap 13. Here comes 1350. Does it want it? 5-day is at 1389 on this one. Lots of volume coming into BKKT. Here's 1350. And boom, snapped it. Boom, here's pre-market highs 1397. Oh yeah, it wants it. Yep, BKKT halted. Definitely want to keep an eye on this one whenever it gets unhalted. Oh, a nice bounce off of that pre-market swing low that we were just previously talking about. So that pre-market swing low being 788. It's a little quiz just to make sure. So I don't know if anybody's in this BE, but what support level is BE bouncing off of at the moment? Or the reason behind why I took this one? Correct, night waiter. Pre-market high support. Yeah, JC, tons of dip buys out there this morning. I know this is a lot different trading style than I was doing, but the market's heating up and I got to adapt to that. This is how I used to trade back in the day whenever we had that hot market last year. Again, make sure you're reading those old blog posts to get familiar with this strategy or these morning dip buys. So they're going to mainly be back in 2020. Yep, BKKT about to get unhalted. Keep an eye on this one coming up into pre-market high resistance. All right, there's BE. So BE hit my profit target. I'm going to take profits. Again, perfect bounce off of pre-market high support on this one. Took it up to this little high at 2640. I'm playing it safe, but I do think this one has more in the tank. BE. Boom, BKKT unhalted. Snapped those pre-market highs at four. Yeah, those pre-market high resistance. Coming up into $15. Whole number resistance at the moment. I really like I really like BKKT because of the daily chart as well. No upcoming daily resistance. Lots of volume coming into it. Let's see, pulling back off of whole number resistance at the moment. Let's see. Possible next leg up on BKKT. And boom. Here's how they break. Coming up in the 1550. 1566. Coming up in the 16. Yeah, buddy. I already know Stonk's eating on this one. Any of y'all hit BKKT or in it at the moment? Oh yeah. Curling up off 15. Hive day at 1580. Let's see if it can do it. Great work, fellas. Boom. There's Hive day. And squashed. Let's see if anything else is setting up. Don't sleep on GRNQ either. Again, you're coming up into that daily resistance, but we haven't hit it yet. Messing around with $2, that whole number level at the moment. You got VWAP right below it at 194. Yep, GRNQ looking real nice. Yep, here goes BKKT. Curling back up to high of day. Boom. Oh yeah, this boy eating. I'm telling y'all, don't sleep on GRNQ either. I like this one. All right. I'm going to hit GRNQ. Again, I don't want to wait for the Hive Day breakout on this one because right after Hive Day, we got that daily resistance on GRNQ. So I want to sell into Hive Day on this one. 1-to-1 stop. So stop's going to be 183. So again, hitting GRNQ. BKKT going back up with the Hive Day, 1725. Here's Hive Day. Hive Day break on BKKT. Boom. There it goes. 1738. All right, I'm going to bail out of GRNQ. So I'm probably going to call it a day there before I get back my money by overtrading. So I'm up just over 2 grand on the day. No, not lucid, just dip buys. Again, we didn't see near as many momentum plays as we did the last couple days, but we did have a lot of those early dip buys today. I'll definitely put up a few video lessons today, since this is a little bit of a different style of trading that y'all aren't used to. All right, that's it for me. Y'all have a good one. Yes, so GRNQ, this was the one that I typed in chat. So got in this on the VWAP crossover right here. Profit target is going to be 218 and stop 181. So I wanted to give this one a little more wiggle room, which is why I didn't go for this short-term high, because I want to avoid getting faked out on it. But yeah, we're looking really good right here. And there we go. And I'm taking the rest of my profits right here on GRNQ. So now up over $3 grand on the day.